Want to make cleaning quicker, easier, and a lot less stressful? These genius Amazon cleaning gadgets are designed to tackle dirt, dust, and mess with minimal effort. From clever tools to smart solutions, they'll completely change the way you clean. All product links are in the description below. Your bed hides more than just dreams, and this smart vacuum is built to tackle it all. With a 700 watts motor, strong suction, and UV light, it removes the unseen from mattresses, sofas, and cribs in one powerful sweep. The dual filtration system traps even the tiniest particles, keeping your air fresher and your family healthier. A smart display shows the cleanliness index in real time, so you know the job's done. Easy to use with auto and tapping modes, it transforms bedtime into a cleaner, safer experience. Toilet cleaning just got a fun twist. This cactus-shaped silicone brush isn't just cute, it's built to reach every hidden spot in your toilet without scratching a thing. The flexible bristles bend into tight corners, and the non-slip handle gives you total control while you scrub. Easy to use, easy to rinse, and way more fun to look at than your average brush. Running out of space but still need crisp clothes? This fold-out tabletop ironing board hides away inside your closet and pops out only when you need it. A secure clip keeps it locked in place during storage, so it never shifts or falls. Just unfold, press, and fold it right back. It's the kind of smart setup that makes laundry day feel way less annoying. Drying laundry doesn't have to take over your space. This wall-mounted rack opens up to reveal multiple rods, perfect for hanging shirts, towels, or delicates. When you're done, it folds back into a sleek panel that blends right into your wall. No bulky stands or floor clutter. It's easy to install, looks clean, and gives your clothes the airflow they need to dry naturally. Space-saving and smart. Tired of scooping cat litter every day? This self-cleaning litter box does it all for you, quietly, automatically, and with zero mess. The open-top design gives your cat a comfy space, while built-in sensors pause cleaning if your pet steps in. Waste gets sealed in a pull-out bin, so you never touch or smell a thing. With a 10-liter capacity, it handles up to 10 days of cleanup for one cat. Less effort, happier paws. Showers just got a futuristic upgrade. This digital shower set adds sleek style and smart features to your daily routine. The piano-style buttons give you full control at a single touch. No more fumbling with knobs. A digital display shows water temperature in real time, while ambient lighting sets the mood. It's made from space aluminum, so it's rust-resistant, modern, and built to last. Shaving or washing your feet in the shower doesn't have to be a balancing act. This suction cup footrest sticks firmly to smooth walls, giving you a stable spot to rest your foot. No drilling, no damage. Just press, lock, and it's ready to use. Its angled design keeps you comfortable, and you can adjust the height for anyone in the family. Perfect for safer, easier shower routines. Say goodbye to chasing that last annoying line of dust with your broom. This touchless vacuum acts like a smart dustpan. Just sweep debris near it, and the built-in sensor sucks everything up instantly. Pet hair, crumbs, litter. It handles it all. No bending, no scooping, no bags. Just clean floors and fresh air thanks to its dual high-efficiency filters. It's always on, always ready, and incredibly easy to use. Your lawn practically mows itself. With this robot mower, just tap your phone and it starts trimming. No pushing, no pulling. It maps your yard automatically and follows clean, parallel paths for a tidy finish every time. Built-in sensors dodge trees and garden decor, and a virtual wall keeps it inside your chosen space. Sit back, relax, and let the grass take care of itself. Taking out the trash just got futuristic. This smart can seals the bag for you with one tap. No tying, no mess, no getting your hands dirty. Once you lift the full bag out, it automatically lines itself with a fresh one. The motion sensor opens the lid with a wave, keeping things touch-free and odor-free. It's hygienic, hands-off, and makes garbage duty almost enjoyable. Real quick, before you buy your next Amazon gadget and waste hundreds of dollars, I've put together a secret Amazon cheat sheet that shows you how to save up to 80% on every order, and it's completely free. These are the tricks most shoppers don't know about, and Amazon will hate you for knowing them. Get your free guide. Links in the description. One gadget, endless ways to clean. This 11-in-1 steam mop tackles everything from dirty floors to stained furniture with just water. No chemicals needed. It heats up fast and blasts out powerful steam that wipes out grime, germs, and odors. With swivel angles and adjustable height, you can reach under couches or around corners without breaking your back. And with 11 attachments, there's no mess it can't handle. No more bending or touching the toilet lid with your hands. This clever foot pedal lets you lift and lower the seat completely hands-free. Just step, and the lid moves smoothly thanks to its leverage design. The strong waterproof adhesive keeps it secure, and installation takes only minutes. Perfect for keeping things hygienic and making life easier for anyone who finds bending tricky. Late-night bathroom trips just got smarter. This toilet light activates automatically when you close the lid, using UV technology to help freshen and sanitize the bowl. No sprays or scrubbing required. When the lid opens, it shuts off instantly for safety and efficiency. It's waterproof, easy to install, and blends right in with your bathroom setup. A clean seat, a soft glow, and zero effort required. This trash can doesn't just sit there, it works smarter. With a built-in compactor, it squashes your waste down so you can fit up to 3 times more before taking it out. That means fewer trips and fewer bags. The odor filter keeps things fresh, and the design makes sure your hands never touch the mess. It's sleek, stainless, and surprisingly satisfying to use. Smudgy windows and streaky mirrors don't stand a chance. This all-in-one electric window cleaner sprays, scrubs, and vacuums. No swapping tools or dripping messes. The built-in sprayer loosens dirt, and the powerful suction wipes it all away without leaving streaks behind. With a telescopic handle, even high windows are easy to reach. It's cordless, lightweight, and perfect for mirrors, tiles, cars, or anywhere you want a crystal clear shine. Say goodbye to wilted veggies and stale snacks. This vacuum-sealed food storage set keeps your meals fresh up to 5 times longer than regular containers. Just press the button and the air is out. No hinges, no leaks, no mess. The vacuum sealer knows when to stop, locking in freshness automatically. Microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe. These containers are built to handle your week's worth of prep like a pro. Finding the right necklace or earring shouldn't feel like a treasure hunt. This 360 degrees rotating jewelry box puts your entire collection on display, so you can see and grab what you need in seconds. With 5 drawers, 18 necklace hooks, and soft velvet lining, it keeps everything organized and protected. The glass window adds a touch of elegance, while the vertical design saves space on your vanity. Scrubbing the grime off your kitchen or bathroom shouldn't feel like a workout. This clever cleaning tool makes the job faster, easier, and way less gross. It's got a comfy grip, Comes with a mountain of disposable mop pads and wipes down everything from glass to toilets without breaking a sweat. Just press, swipe, toss. It's lightweight, mess-free, and surprisingly satisfying to use. Some messes hide in the most annoying corners, but not for long. This bendable crevice brush slips into tight spaces and curves around tricky angles to wipe out dust, grime, and build up in seconds. From bathroom tiles to car vents to behind your kitchen faucet, it's built for the spots other brushes miss. The stiff bristles scrub deep but stay gentle on surfaces. It's compact, durable, and oddly satisfying to use. Who needs a pedicure when your shower does it for you? This foot scrubber slipper has over 1,000 soft bristles that clean, exfoliate, and massage your feet, all without bending down. Just step in and move your foot back and forth for a full heel-to-toe refresh. It scrubs away dead skin and boosts circulation at the same time. Great for anyone with mobility issues or anyone who just wants spa vibes in the shower. Turn any corner of your home, or even the outdoors, into a personal spa. This inflatable soaking tub sets up in minutes with the included electric air pump, then folds away just as easily. A zippered cover locks in warmth for a long, relaxing soak, while the cushioned backrest keeps you comfortable. Use it in the bathroom, balcony, or even the garden. Soft, portable, and cozy. Your bath, your way. Doing a quick wash doesn't have to mean a full laundry load. This rechargeable mini washer is designed for underwear, baby clothes, and delicates, perfect for tight spaces or travel. Just drop in your items, press a button, and let the 360-degree scrubbing motion do the rest. It's gentle, efficient, and holds a surprising amount for its size. Lightweight enough for dorms, RVs, or hotel sinks. Laundry on the go just got way easier. Say goodbye to sloshing dirty mop water everywhere. This spin mop system keeps clean and dirty water completely separate, so your floors only get the fresh stuff. The microfiber head handles both wet spills and dry dust, and it swivels 360 degrees to catch every corner. The bucket has built-in scrapers that remove hair and grime with no hand contact. You just mop, spin, and relax. It handles the rest. Turn your shower into a full-body spa and a power washer in one. This handheld shower head boosts water pressure through tiny nozzles that deliver a strong, steady spray, perfect for tired muscles, messy pets, or rinsing down tiles. It's got 4 spray modes, a one-touch stop button, and built-in filtration that softens hard water to protect your skin and hair. Easy to install, fun to use, and seriously effective. Toothpicks, now with a touch of tech. Just wave your hand over this sleek dispenser and it pops one out like magic. No touching, no mess, and way more hygienic than grabbing from an open jar. Fill it up once and you're good to go for weeks. The top pops off easily when it's time for a refill. Clean, smart, and surprisingly fun to use. A vacuum that cleans and tidies up? Yep, this robot's got a mechanical arm that lifts small items like socks and tissues out of the way before it starts cleaning. It's smart enough to detect obstacles, avoid tangles, and mop your floors with hot water to tackle stubborn messes. Powerful suction grabs dirt from carpets and corners. And when it's done, it empties itself and washes its own mop. Total hands-off cleaning. Deep clean your car, patio, or even windows without dragging around a bulky machine. This cordless pressure washer features a 6-in-1 nozzle and a rotating head for hard-to-reach spots. Switch between 3 pressure modes and use the foam sprayer for a full wash. Lightweight, portable, and powerful. Made to handle everything from gentle rinses to blasting stubborn grime with ease. It's a table, it's a wireless charger, it's ambient lighting, and yes, it's also a powerhouse air purifier. This 4-in-1 unit clears the air in rooms up to 3,600 square feet, quietly zapping odors, dust, and pet hair in minutes. You get app control, voice support, and 10 mood-setting RGB colors. Drop your phone on top and it charges wirelessly. Smart, sleek, and surprisingly multifunctional, this table really does it all.